Non-verbal reasoning. Nets of cubes. A net of a cube is illustrated, and your task is to identify the cubes that can be formed from the given net, or to find the right 2D grid that the 3D cube will create. Images, numbers, or letters are placed in each square. Once again, this is a very visual process, and you will be looking at how each image relates to the other in terms of being opposite or adjacent next to another image. Follow these rules. Choose 2 or 3 images on the shape net and work out their position and direction and how it changes as you mentally fold and unfold the shape. Learn how to draw 3 sides of a cube and a grid so that you can draw out possible answers. 1. Draw a square. 2. Draw table legs. 3. Join the corners. Looking at the grid, I'm going to choose the star and the circle on the right and the diamond on the left. I can see a diamond on the left of the star in B. There are no other stars I can see on the remaining cubes, so I'm going to explore B further. I can see a triangle pointing down below the star and adjacent to the diamond. On the grid, if I mentally fold the grid to make a cube, I can see the star, diamond, and triangle are all in the right places. B is the answer.